Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your Snapchat score. To boost your score, focus on sending snaps to your friends regularly. Each snap you send contributes to your total. Also, make sure to open every snap you receive from others. Keeping up your snap streaks with many friends daily is another excellent way to see your score climb steadily over time. Consistency is key for significant growth. To maximize your score, try sending one snap to several friends at once. This can be done by selecting multiple recipients or using a group chat. Additionally, posting to your Snapchat story every day helps, as each unique view on your story contributes to your score. Engaging with Discover content and sending those snaps to friends also adds to your total. These methods help you earn points efficiently. Understanding the mechanics helps you strategize. Generally, every snap you send to a friend adds 1 point to your Snapchat score. Similarly, opening a snap that someone sends to you also contributes 1 point. The real boost comes from maintaining snap streaks. The longer your streak with a friend, the more bonus points you accumulate. These small actions add up quickly. It's important to know what doesn't count. Sending text-based chat messages to friends, for example, does not contribute to your Snapchat score at all. Also, simply viewing other people's stories will not add any points to your total. To truly increase your score, concentrate your efforts on consistently sending and opening snaps. This focused approach yields the best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.